Bulletin with our top focus this hour. It's some breaking news that's coming in right now from Maharashtra in connection to the Pune hit-and-run horror. Now, the CCTV footage of the horrific incident has surfaced. Amid the outrage over essay for bail, Pune cops have now all set to challenge the bail. In fact, Pune cops have said that the minor was drunk. The Pune top cop has also vowed a tough action against the juvenile who was involved in this accident. In fact, the Pune top cop has said that nobody will be spared and that a case has been registered against the teen's father. Now, the pub that also served alcohol to also face action in this case. And the other shocking detail that's come to light in this particular case is that the car that was involved in the accident did not have a number plate. On your screens right now, viewers, is the CCTV visual of this accident. That's there, the highlighted portion that the car, you see that the car moving in absolute speed. Now, this is, of course, something that a lot of people were also there on the streets. As you see there, a lot of people walking around. And in this busy street, this supercar was taken around by the teenager in a high speed.
We moved an application to the court yesterday that this juvenile accused should be treated as an adult since the crime is a very, very heinous crime under the provisions of the Juvenile Justice Act. However, the court had refused our application and another application moved to the court to transfer the accused to the remand home till further orders was also not acceded to by the court.
So there you heard it. That was the Pune top cop who is vowing a very tough action against the teenager. Of course, a lot of outrage on social media as well. This teenager who was involved in this accident has been released as well. And again, one of the conditions for the bail was that he had to write an essay on the accident and also work with the traffic department for 15 days. In fact, let's also listen in to my colleague Shivani, who's getting us more details on this.
इस चीज़ पर भी गौर फरमाना होगा कि गर्मी और टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा है, जिसके चलते सुबह 7 बजे से 1 बजे तक की अगर हम बात करें तो 16% भी वोटिंग नहीं हुई थी, लेकिन महज 1 बजे से 3 बजे तक के जो बीच के
All right, on that note,